Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Brown Barber Club. A month ago we bought the spotter arms from the TYDAX Fitness and we also shared the review with you guys. So we have been introducing a lot of pin squats and pin bench presses in our development blogs. So we just wanted to share all the PRs that we did in our training blog. But before we start the video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who have subscribed to the channel and sharing the video for us. But still a fair share of all the viewers that are watching our videos have not subscribed to my channel. According to the YouTube analytics, only 25% of the viewers have subscribed to the channel. So all the 75% who have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Appreciate the support. Without further ado, let's start the video.
Well, the biggest PR we had is Harman squatting 365 pounds on a pin squat. Jeez, look at that smile.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
On the same day, I did 335 pounds for 1 rep on pin squats. We have introduced the pin bench presses in our training as well. I will do a separate video why we have chosen the pin bench presses or the pin squats instead of pause benches or the pause squat. But the topmost reason is that we want to break these lifts into two different parts, concentric phase and the centric phase. Pins do help you to understand where your weak point is, because with pins, the bar comes to a dead stop at the bottom of a lift and you have to push harder than the normal lift, which teaches you to be stronger in that phase of that lift. Let me know in the comments what tool you guys use when you are working on your weaknesses. Alright, I will see you in the next video with more training updates and more PRs. We are also working on a couple of different videos that will be interesting to you guys. So stay tuned. Till next video, stay strong, stay safe.